I would like to show you in this video how to do twist stitch, zigzag stitch, even first stitch of the blanket. You see, we usually take it off, but this time I twist it. I twist this stitch the way you go. This go yarn, working yarn going to the left, so it's mean I twist every stitch to the left. See, I turning and I put to the left, and second one more time, twist and pull through, make it big yarn, big long one, like a two fingers. Again, twist. If you tight, the twist will be too small and you cannot see it, so you have to have at least 2 finger. Twist to the left. You see, this is straight, neat, but if you twist, then it's get that zigzag. Twist. This gonna be on a pattern of the blanket. Then when we making the you see, we making the cross over the blanket, we use pull stitch. And now I'm going to finish this pull stitch because I'm done with the cross. I'm doing again, just first time I'm doing regular knit, and next time I will twist it. If I twist now, it does not look good, you see, so you have to do sometime common sense. So I'm doing knit stitch. I will attach this video to my pattern for this blanket for you to little bit more understand. If you don't understand, just scroll it back and do it again. And I turn like this and twist. You see, twist and do stitch. Twist. I do like this, quick, you know, but you can do first practice like this. I did practice too. Everybody start from practice. Twist and do the stitch. Twist, do stitch, and last one, twist to the left. Now we're going to twist to the right, because we did to the left, this going pulling to the right, we do to the right. You see, you're gonna have edge of the blanket, very nice zigzag. So you twist to the right and we pull the stitch, 2 fingers. Again, twist. I do like this, but you don't have to. You make sure you twist. You just look. If you twist, for me it's quicker. Do twist like this. My 3 fingers working. You see, I twist, and I keep them close to not make the hole between them. Twist. So I did all the twist. Here was the cross. Okay, this was the cross. So now I'm going to twist this stitch. That's gonna be finishing blanket. Twist. See, twist. It's slow. I do like this. I put my fingers and twist, and then I do with the left finger, pull pull the working yarn. Again, this, and twist. This and twist. This and twist. And twist. See, this is straight, and we're turning to twist. Straight, knit stitch, we're turning. If you are new, you need to figure out how to look for the stitches you're learning. But this one is twist, but this one is, see, the regular stitch, knit, and this look like a pull stitch. You have to learn how to recognize the stitches. It will be easier for you to understand. Thank you for watching. Waiting for pattern.